Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, I will be reacting to a song by Krishna, an older song which is called Farak Nahi Padta, and this came in 2019 and this song has been there on my list of reactions for quite some time. So yeah, finally I'm reacting to it today. Really excited as usual, which happens with the case of whenever I sit for a Krishna song reaction. So yep, let's not delay this any further. Let's watch this song. So this does not have the subtitles, like this is not subbed by him, closed captions by him. So anyway, that's fine, no problem. Ankit Khanna Projects. He's one of the major partners in Kalamkar, right? Okay.
मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या बोले लोग, फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या इनकी सोच. I don't really care what they think about me, क्योंकि ये तो मेरे fan. If they think about me, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या बोले लोग, फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या इनकी सोच. फर्क नहीं पड़ता ये ना मेरे दोस्त, फर्क नहीं पड़ता फर्क नहीं पड़ता जो भी मैं चाहता करता चुपचाप रहता लड़का लेकिन कभी ना समझ तू मुझे हल्का पूरे लाइफ करा ग्राइंड, put it all on the line. मेरे पास ना है टाइम, आज मैं यहाँ तू का गर्ल I cannot find you. ये जीवन है बोझ मेरे कंधों पे, सिर्फ ईगो है भरी इन बंदों में. एक बार तू चल मेरे कदमों में, कभी तो सोच अपनी बदलोगे. राय सबकी है, राय सबकी है, लाइफ अपनी एडवाइस सबकी है. पहले ना देती थी भाव, अब इंस्टाग्राम पे वो लाइक करती है. कॉल मी बोलने को सॉरी, पर हम में रही ना दोस्ती. कॉल मी बोलने को सॉरी, बट यू डोंट इवन नो मी. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या बोले लोग, फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या इनकी सोच. I don't really care what they think about me, क्योंकि ये तो मेरे fan. If they think about me, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या बोले लोग, फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या इनकी सोच. फर्क नहीं पड़ता ये ना मेरे दोस्त, फर्क नहीं पड़ता होना है दोस्त. जिनकी आंखों में ना थी मेरी कीमत, आज कॉल कर दे वो ना फीचर में बनूंगा ना कुछ बोला टीचर ने. आज उसके बेटे मेरी फोटो खींचते, शायद आज मेरी कमाई ना है ज्यादा, लेकिन एक दिन होगी भाई का ये वादा. लगता है किसी को दिल में देता हूँ जगह, तो देते वो दगा हिसाब का. जो भी करूँ पूरे मन से, नीयत साफ होती ना है धन से. अभी कहाँ वो जो मेरे संग थे, नए यार मेरे नहीं बनते. पता नहीं तू है कौन मुझे तो पता नहीं. 3 साल पहले तू खफा थी, now you got some love for me. Calling me बोलने को सॉरी, पर हम में रही ना दोस्ती. Calling me बोलने को सॉरी, but you don't even know me. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या बोले लोग, फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या इनकी सोच. I don't really care what they think about me, क्योंकि ये तो मेरे fan. If they think about me, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या बोले लोग, फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्या इनकी सोच. फर्क नहीं पड़ता ये ना मेरे दोस्त, फर्क नहीं पड़ता होना है दोस्त.
I like this car, the Jeep. It's nice. I think this is the for me, I would say, of all the songs of Krishna जिसमें auto tune use हुआ है, I think this is the best one. अब तक ना है टाइम मेरा फेवरेट था, ना है टाइम मेरा फेवरेट था, like absolute favorite, because I really like that song. But I think this one completely tops that. ये सबसे अच्छा use of auto tune है in Krishna, and I know opinions might be divided because बहुत लोगों को पसंद नहीं है when Krishna does the auto tune song, but I really like the auto tune on on the songs when he does it. It's nice, I enjoyed it. And The lyrics are pretty much straightforward. We know what he's talking about. He's talking about his life and he is basically saying कि उसे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. मुझे लग रहा था ये गाना उसी, जब मैंने टाइटल देखा ना फर्क नहीं पड़ता, I was like ये उसी टाइप का गाना होगा जहाँ पे वो बोल रहे हैं कि मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता of all the bullshit that people throw on me. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much the song. But what I really liked was that he sort of, you know, elaborated why usko farak nahi padta. He just didn't say ki haan mujhe bas farak nahi padta. But I like that once the hook ends, he completely elaborates like why उसे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बिकॉज उसके साथ लाइफ में क्या 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 हुआ है. जैसे ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट बचपन वाला पार्ट भी, जैसे टीचर ने बोला कि तुमसे कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा, सो नाउ द सिनेरियो इज कम्प्लीटली चेंज्ड. Plus, then he talks about again the backstabbers, the snake की जिनको दिल में रखा फिर उन्होंने ही धोखा दिया. That is one more aspect. Then he's like, he's also talking about sort of like the love life kind of thing, where he's saying कि, you know, first you ignored me and now you're calling me, and all of those things. So different aspects. And now मतलब इतना ग्राइंड कर लिया, अपनी ग्राइंड के बारे में बोला कि यू नो आई हैव डन दी हसल एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट, ऑल ऑफ दैट. एंड व्हाट आई वाज थिंकिंग दैट दिस सॉन्ग, पता नहीं अब ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है कि व्हेन आई एम लिसनिंग टू लाइक एनी कृष्णा सॉन्ग, आई जस्ट इमीडिएटली like whatever he's saying, I am immediately sort of comparing it with OG. And I'll tell you why. Because this is a little bit more gangsta, जहाँ पे वो बोल रहा है कि उसे फर्क नहीं पड़ता because इतना कुछ हो गया उसकी लाइफ में. And so he has developed like a very thick skin, जहाँ पे हाँ पहले उसको बुरा लगता था maybe, but अब नहीं लगता. But when you are like, OG is the ultimate end to that statement, where it's, I feel OG is like the conclusion. And that is why आजकल मतलब जैसे कृष्णा का गाना मैं सुन रही हूँ तो मुझे बार बार I am just thinking about OG for some reason, because let me tell you, that song really hit me. That song really hit the bullseye for me. And I just kept thinking that जब मैं ये वाला भी सुन रही थी कि OG में it's more rooted and more emotional. यहाँ पे तो वो बोल रहे हैं मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बट देन इन OG यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वो भी एक इंसान है. मतलब कितना ही कोई इग्नोर करेगा. सो इन अ वेरी सबकॉन्शियस लेवल आई फील दैट इट अफेक्ट्स हिम, but on the surface level, yes, because you know you have to move on and you have to go about your day and make your music. So he's like, you know, मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता. And होता है हमारी लाइफ में भी कि या corporate में भी, a lot of you are probably students or in office. So in both the scenarios where you feel that you're getting a lot of pressure from your peers and stuff like that, your office में कोई politics खेल रहा है and all of that, but you know in your heart कि आपका काम you know आपने दिल से किया है, you are honest to yourself, so you really ignore all that crap around you and you'll be like नहीं फर्क पड़ता मुझे. But when you really take a moment, you think about what is happening in your life, you really understand that, you know, I'm taking in a lot of bullshit, I'm trying to block it from my life, but yeah, people are just, you know, they're not stopping. But तो एक बार आप अगर थोड़ा भी सोचते हो तो फिर एक मोमेंट के लिए, even for a fleeting second, even if you are like, you know, you have the heart of a steel, but for a fleeting second you would be like, yeah, I feel bad. So that is why, I mean, I just keep on thinking whenever I'm listening to this kind of song, I'm thinking the lyrics of OG also parallelly, where I know that subconsciously it hits you somewhere, because at the end of the day we are not robots, we are human beings. So वो होता है ना कि आपको पॉजिटिव चीजें आपको अगर मिलती रहे, you are happy, but वो एक नेगेटिव कुछ होता है ना तो वो याद रह जाता है. People remember that. So that's what I want to say. Yeah, थोड़ा deep हो गया ना. अबे मेरे कृष्णा का lyrics सुनते तो थोड़ा एकदम, you know, try to decipher the lyrics. Even though these are pretty straightforward, you know what he's saying. He's upfront about what he's feeling here. And yeah, so in terms of the lyrics, his flow was great. I loved the switches over there, verses का जो the hook वाला flow was मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता na 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 na. But when the verses come in, I like how he switches up the flow. So I really like that. Plus the beat. Let me just see beat किसने produce किया. वो तो बहुत important है क्योंकि beat मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा इस गाने का. Produced by J. Casperson. That's the person. So I like this beat. It's really nice. Like I said, I think सारे जितने भी auto-tune type गाने हैं कृष्णा के, this is the best one. ना है टाइम को, finally this song has dethroned ना है टाइम. Yes, though ना है टाइम is very close to my heart because I don't know, I have really like overplayed that song on my playlist, I feel. So I'm really fond of that song. A lot of people don't like Na Hai Time, but I'm very, very fond of that song. But this definitely tops Na Hai Time in terms of the composition, the way he's rapping also, because there are many flow switches in Na Hai Time, in Farak Nahi Padta than in Na Hai Time. Na Hai Time is more linear, I feel, in terms of song. It's more linear, but here there are a lot of switches which makes the song much more enjoyable for me. And the autotune has been also used well. The beats are great. Really like that Jeep in the video. So वो video में एक moment आया था ना जब that girl was there and he's like, I don't know who you are. That was funny. I don't know, for some reason I found it really funny. So yes, that was the reaction to Farak Nahi Padta by Krishna. Definitely want to know your thoughts in the comments below. And yep, I will be signing off from this video now. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. And yes, bye bye. I will see you soon on my next video. Ta-da!